Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on YouTube channel from PC and desktop or laptop. So I'm just going to open YouTube app or youtube.com, then click here a profile icon right top corner on your screen. Simply click on that, and after that click here view your channel. Okay, and after that click here customize channel. Simply click on that, and also click on that. Then you can see branding. Okay, simply click on that. Then you can see picture. Your profile picture will appear where your channel is presented on YouTube. So simply click here change. Once you click change, then you will see the profile picture on your PC. Then you have to select that one and click open, and then it will be added, and simply click publish. Then your profile picture will be added successfully. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.